guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we have our BarkBox. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. BarkBox for December. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna's BarkBox just arrived, and this is for December, and you can't tell, but she is so excited. She's like waiting to come home so she can actually see what is inside her box. Huh, is that right? Did you want to see what's in your box? You want to see what's in your box? Don't lick my mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. We're gonna see what she's going to be playing on and what she's going to be snacking on. And I can't wait to see what the theme is for December. I already cut the tape because she's a little nosy and I just did that ahead of time. So let's go ahead and get into here. Ooh, it says the Mutt Cracker. So instead of a nutcracker, it's a Mutt Cracker. And when you open it up, look how cute. You see what's in there? You see what's in there? Oh, you got a nutcracker. Okay, you guys, so let's see what is all inside here. So the first item I'm seeing looks like a nutcracker, and there's like a toy in the toy because there's something else inside of there. Does it squeak or anything? No, it just crinkle. And that's its mouth. I see teeth under there. So like if she gets through this, then there's another toy on the inside. I like when they do that because then she feels like she gets a new toy all over again. It says deck the halls, and it says behind the squeaks. Aww. Oh, it's a treat dispensing. And then it says ornament loop, crinkle, less fluff. Huh, so it has different things going on. You could stick a treat in its mouth and then she can play with it and try to get it out. That's really cute. So we have this guy, and then we have, what is this? This says fluff free, rip and reveal, spiky ball, ornament loop. So ornament loop, so you can hang it on the tree if you wanted to. So this one is this. She's like, oh no, I want that one. Is that squeaky? Is that a squeaky one? So this one looks kind of like a giraffe head or something. I'm not quite sure, but when she gets through this, there's a spiky ball inside that'll be revealed. So, excuse you. So there's that. Now for the treats, the first thing is a chicken stick, hard and chewy. Hard and chewy chicken stick. And then, oh, it says from one lucky dog to another. It says first box is free. I do have a link down below. You can follow that if you would like. But for the first person that wants to use a BarkBox versus a Super Chewer code, they're two different ones. First come, first serve, and then your first box would be actually free. So if you want to pause. One free box for the Super Chewer versus the BarkBox. And that came in like a little Christmas card. So there's a lot. And then we have the Muttcracker Sweets Waltz Wild of the Caught Carb recipe dog treats. There's that. And then we have Dance of the Berry Dazzled Duck recipe dog treats with cranberries. That actually sounds really, really good. And these are all like long little chews. And then these are like that. So then it looks like the different things for this month would have been, oh, that's supposed to be a walnut. This is a walnut, but it has like a giraffe pattern, so it looks like a giraffe to me, not a walnut. Then there is the Nutcracker. Then there's a Walt and Wilma sleigh. There is a Plum Fairy. There's all these little guys that would have been in this box. So that is adorable. I just love their themes. Their customer service is just phenomenal. Like, I have not had any other subscription box be as lenient and willing to just help you out. Like, there's no tomorrow, especially in the beginning when the toys were just too tough for her. They were willing to help me out, the treats, everything. Their customer service is really, really good. Hi. Hi. Oh, you should show my baby. 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 Hi. Oh. Are you okay? Are you ready to calm down? You want to go play with your toy, huh? You want to go play with your toy? Yeah, she just wants to go play. So that is everything that she is getting in this month's box, you guys. I'm gonna let her down and let her play and be free and have some fun. You wanna go have some fun? 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 Yeah, she wants to go have some fun. So I'm gonna let her go do the damn thing. Sit. Sit. Bang. 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 No, get back. All right, good girl. There you go. Don't try to pull his fur off. Hey. Poor little Nutcracker. Poor little Nutcracker. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, how did you like this box? Again, I always tell you, I love the themes. I love how they curate the box. I just love everything about her BarkBox. So I'm not gonna let it up, huh? I'm not gonna let it up because you love it. Yeah, and the toys are really, really very, like, they're durable, especially for her. She's rough on her toys and she's never killed anything. And if she does kill the outside, she has another toy on the inside that she thinks is a brand new toy and she's good to go. So I love my BarkBox, you guys. So again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? Did you get this? Did you get other toys? Do you want to get this? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.